An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Class 2, Subject EVS, Chapter Transport and Communication, Topic Communication.
Hello children, how are you all? Okay, you said you all are fine. Are you enjoying your online classes? Oh, that's great. You all are enjoying your online classes. Children, I asked you questions. You communicated your views to me. Communication. Yes, this is the topic we are going to study today. Children, communication actually means imparting or exchanging information by speaking, writing, or using some other medium. So, to understand in a more better way, let's watch this video.
Communication. Now, let us understand what is communication. Communication means sharing of information, ideas, and news. Or, in simple words, we can say communication means sending and receiving messages from one person to another. We can communicate with each other verbally or through gestures and signs. There are different ways to communicate, that is individual communication and mass communication. First, let's talk about individual communication. Children, when we speak with each other, it is called individual communication, or you can say one-to-one communication. Means there is one sender and one receiver. There are different ways of individual communication, like speaking on phone, face-to-face talking, writing letters, sending personal emails, and communicating through signs and gestures. Messages. We can communicate through messages. A message can be written or spoken. Urgent messages can be sent through fax, WhatsApp, and email. So, understood children? We can communicate through written messages or verbal messages, and if it is very urgent, we can WhatsApp, email, or fax our messages, and it could be received to the other person immediately. Other means of communication is letters. We can send written messages through a letter. Nowadays, very few people communicate through letters as they are very slow and take days to reach. Now here comes telephones. We can talk and listen to a person over a telephone. It is the quickest means of communication. We use a landline phone or a mobile phone to communicate. We can even send written messages through a mobile phone. Next is computers. This is also another way of communicating. It can send or receive information from people in different parts of the world through internet. We can send emails, we can chat using the internet. Now children, you all are aware of this because you are also doing virtual classes, your online classes, so you need a computer or laptop or an iPad and an internet connection. Now let us understand what is mass communication. When we need to spread information to millions of people together, we call it mass communication. Or in other words, we can say in mass communication, there is one sender and a large number of receivers with whom we communicate. Children, Earlier we discussed about individual communication, where there was one sender and one receiver. Now we are talking about mass communication, where there is one sender but message is received by large number of people. A message is sent to several people at a time using different means of mass communication like radio, email, film, satellite news, magazine and newspapers. Radio and television are the most popular means of mass communication. They provide us with lot of information. Newspapers are the cheapest means of mass communication. They tell us about the important day-to-day events happening around the world. This was all about communication. I hope you all have understood very well. Thank you.